Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add iPhone widgets on home screen. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to add iPhone widget on your home screen, all you need to do is press and hold the home screen to enter the edit mode. Locate and click on edit at the top left, then select add widget. Once you selected that, then you should see various widget pops. Now you want to search through and locate the widgets you want to add to your home screen. You can even use the search widget option to search for your widget. Then select the widget. Once you selected the widget, you should see various options available for you to add to your home screen. Now go ahead and select the one you want to add and click on add widget. Then you should see the widget added to your iPhone home screen. You can repeat this to add multiple widgets to the home screen. And after that, go ahead and click on done at the top right. And then you are good. The widget will be added. And even when you restart your iPhone or your iPhone is out of battery, then the widget will still remain. So that is exactly how to add iPhone widget on home screen. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.